Hello everybody, welcome to our new video. Use the video and step-by-step drawing instructions below how to draw a birthday cake. Stay tuned for more tutorials. Draw the top part of the birthday cake by first making two small marks far apart from each other. Between the first two marks, draw two more marks that are close to each other. Now connect all of the marks together using curved lines to form the top part of the cake. Sketch lightly at first so that it's easy to erase if you make a mistake. Darken the lines only when you have the shape right. The shape of the cake so far should be a very thin oval on its side. Under the oval, draw a vertical line on each side. The longer you make these lines, the taller your birthday cake will be. Connect the vertical lines at the bottom using a long curved horizontal line. The curvature of this line should be parallel to the lower edge of the oval at the top of the birthday cake. In the middle of the oval, draw a short wavy line for the base of the birthday candle. Above that, draw a thin, long rectangle for the candle. You can draw more candles if you had like. Above the birthday cake's handle, add the flame by first drawing a U-shaped line. Extend the lines and curve them to the side so that they come to a point to the finished flame. All of the free art lessons on drawwithpencil.com are good drawing tutorials for beginners and experienced artists alike. The online tutorials are easy to follow. They teach you how to draw basics while showing you how to draw fun cartoon characters step by step. Each cartoon character has a video drawing tutorial option as well as step-by-step video and written text to follow. To draw a birthday cake step by step, follow along with a video tutorial and pause the video after each step to go at your own pace. You may find it easier to follow the step by step drawing below. The next line in each step are showing in red and each step is explained in the next below the video, so you will know exactly what to draw in each step. You may want to open the video in a new tab and use both drawing methods. Take your time and draw at your own pace. Hope you are like this video. Thanks for watching. Have a good time.